Hello and welcome to Learn English with Tangmation. Today we'll talk about homophones, homographs, and homonyms. Do you know what they mean? Watch the video to find out. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Okay, homophones, homographs, and homonyms. What are they? Let's start with homophones. Before we give you some examples, we'll start with the definition and origins. Homophones are words that have the same pronunciation but different meaning and spelling. They have their roots in the Greek language. Homo in Greek means the same, and phone means sound. So together it means the same sound. Therefore, we pronounce them the same. However, remember that the meaning and the spelling will be different. Let's have a look at some examples. Number 1. Red and red. The first word is the color red. The second word is a verb in the past tense. I read this book yesterday. Number 2, cell and cell. The first word represents a tiny part of a living organism. For example, a red blood cell. The second word is a verb and means to give something to someone in exchange for money. To sell something. Number 3. I and I. The first word is a first-person singular pronoun. The second word is a body part we use to see. And number 4, the last example is night and night. The first word represents the time between a sunset and sunrise. And the second word represents a soldier from Middle Ages. Okay, let's now move on to the homographs. Homographs are words that have the same spelling but different meaning. This word also comes from Greek, where graph means to write, and we already know that homo means the same. So together it is the same writing. There are 2 types of homographs. They are called homonyms and heteronyms, sometimes also called heterophones. The difference is that homonyms are homographs that you pronounce the same, and heteronyms are the homographs that you pronounce differently. Let's have a look at some examples. These will be the homographs that are pronounced differently, called heteronyms. Number 1, it's bass and bass. As you can see, both of the words look the same, but their pronunciation is different. The first one is a type of fish, and the second is an instrument. Number 2, we have minute and minute. This means a period of time that equals to 60 seconds, and the other one just means small or tiny. Number 3, bow and bow. So the first one is a weapon used by archers, and the second is an act of greeting. And number 4 is wound and wound. It's a past tense of wind. And the second one is an injury. Okay, let's now move on to the homographs that are pronounced the same, called homonyms. The word homonym also comes from Greek. As we have learned already, homo means the same. Nym means name. Together, it is the same name. Let's now look at some examples. Bat. It is a thing used in baseball to hit a ball with, or an animal. Book. It is a thing you read, or an action of reserving a table in a restaurant. Number 3, letter. It is a written communication sent by post, or one of the symbols found in the alphabet. Okay, let's now quickly recap what we have learned. We have 2 types of words here: homophones and homographs. Homographs are further divided into homonyms and heteronyms. Homophones are words pronounced the same but spelled differently. The meaning is also different. The examples we used were the words red and red. Homographs that are heteronyms are pronounced different but spelled the same. The meaning is again also different. The examples we used were the words bass and bass. Homographs that are homonyms are pronounced the same and spelled the same. The only difference is the meaning. The example we used was the word letter. Okay, we hope that the table makes it easier to understand. So here it is: homophones, homographs, and homonyms. Do you know any other examples of homophones or homographs? Share them in the comments below. Visit our channel to learn more about English vocabulary and grammar, and don't forget to subscribe. So, until the next time!